Isang magandang Huwebes sa inyong lahat. January 13, 2022 na po. And it is the second Thursday of the month. Yan. And second Thursday of the year. Sana po ay nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. Wala pong karamdaman. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw. Sinimulan ko po noong August of 2020. At meron din tayong balita tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong mga stocks. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at ating ipa-prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Philex Mining. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa PSE ngayong araw, ika-13 ng Enero 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, our financial headlines from the business world. Petron plans $500 million notes to pay for plant project. We also have news on RFM, who said that sales is up 7% to nearly 17 billion. Net income flattish. PLDT chairman expect big push from home segment this year. Then we also have Philex's 81 million empty reserve or metric ton reserve siguro ito in the Silangan mines. And then Robinson's retail opens 900th drug store. But our main news is here. Philex Mining, Dahil yung current mine nila sa Benguet ay nauubos na, nadideplete na. Overextended na nga yan . So, ito yun, Philex is 81 million empty reserve in Silangang Mine. Philex Mining Corp has estimated 81 million metric tons of mineable reserve for the Boyongan deposit of its Silangan Copper Gold project in Surigao del Norte, it told the stock exchange on Wednesday. After incorporating standard mining factors to the mineral resource, the competent person for this report has delineated 81 million tons as mineable reserve, the listed mining company said in a disclosure. Philex announced the estimated reserve after it completed the feasibility study in the in-phase mine plan, which calls for a starter sub-level cave mine. Philex said the initial capital cost to develop the starter mine is estimated to be $224 million, which will be spent within a development period of 2 years and 6 months. It said the starter sub-level cave mine has an annual ore production of 700,000 metric tons or 2,000 metric tons per day. Mining will commence in the east sub-level cave because it has the highest grade ore. A new decline will be developed to access the east sub-level cave, while the existing exploration decline will be rehabilitated to serve as an alternative mine access in a ventilation exhaust mine air, Philex said in a disclosure. The 2,000 metric ton per day starter mine will last for 5 years. On the sixth tier, the mining and processing rate will increase to 4,000 metric tons per day, or 1.3 metric tons annually. By the ninth year, it will increase again to 8,000 metric tons per day or 2.7 million metric tons annually. A copper flotation circuit will also be added to the plant by the ninth year, as ore will consist of oxide and sulfate minerals. The final ramp-up will occur on the 12th year, where ore production rate will be up to 12,000 metric tons per day or 4 million metric tons annually. In 2019, the company released a feasibility study for a 4 million metric ton per year sub-level cave mining plan for the Boyongan copper deposit, which has a mine life of 28 years. This consisted of a starter sub-level cave mine with an annual ore production of 700,000 metric tons or 2,000 metric tons per day. Philex shares rose 3.56% or 18 centavos to finish at 5.24 apiece in the stock exchange on Wednesday. Okay, so Philex is ang mother company po niya ay Metro Pacific. So yan po yung other business ni Metro Pacific, no? Aside from tollways, power, water, telephones, etc. Okay po, so yan po ang ating business news for the day. And let's take a look at some of the comments of our dear subscribers. Tingnan po natin to. Sir, thank you for the insight for ASEN. Can you look at REITs tomorrow, especially RCR and MREIT looks like they are breaking out. Okay po, tingnan po natin si RCR tsaka MREIT. And then, congrats, Ken Chan. Okay, salamat po. Sir, tama ba ang gagawin ko? Yung EW will hold ko muna. Lugi kasi ngayon, di ba maganda naman ang fundamentals niya? Raul, wala akong information on the fundamentals of EW, no? Pero tinignan ko kanina yung kanyang disclosure sa PSE, the second quarter lang or third quarter lang, which is not which is insufficient, ano? Kailangan kasi makita natin yung previous years, and wala din siya doon sa study ni BDO Securities eh. But what we'll do is we'll take a look at the fundamentals of EW. Sama po natin siya. I-review po natin siya. So yun po ang aking magagawa. And then, okay, ang sabi naman ni Gregory Luis Galdones, ang sabi niya dito, thanks sa time and effort every day. Stock review ninyo po, sir. At nagiging morning routine ko, panoorin kayo. Best regards here in Geneva, Switzerland. Naku, maraming po salamat. Umaabot po tayo sa Geneva, Switzerland, ano? At meron po tayo ng isang araw sa Turkey naman. So maraming po salamat sa inyong suporta. At alam mo, Gregory, nabisita ko yung Switzerland noong 2019. Napakagandang lugar. Hindi lang sa Geneva, no, sa Lucerne kami. Pero napakagandang lugar. Nung pinuntahan namin ng Europe, yan ang isa sa pinakamagandang lugar sa Europe, Switzerland. Okay? So maraming po salamat. So tingnan natin ngayon ang nangyari sa Philippine Stock Exchange at the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, before we go to the PSE Index, meron pang pahabol na isa dito. Si Mike Miguel, request lang sir, RLC. Okay po, so we'll be doing RLC after East-West. So, what happened to the index today? It continued to climb. Nasa 7307.75 na po, no? 7300 level. 92.62 points. Kahapon po, it went up 129 points. So, it's about more than 200 points for 2 days, no? 1.28% up. And all our indicators are now under our candlestick. Yan po, bullish po siya. And RSI is up at 56.34. Yung market summary naman po, 131 companies advanced, 60 declined while 50 remained unchanged. The all-share index also climbed by 1.05%. Now, all the sectoral indices are up, led by mining at 2.24%. Yan po, no? Baka ang nagkakokos dito ay silipin nga natin yung isa, NIKL. Baka si nickel yan eh. Yan, baka nga, no? Nickel nga yung nagkokos niya, no? Nickel prices. Anyway, so tingnan po natin yung most active stocks. Reviewin po natin si RCR, MREIT, East-West, RLC, MONDE, and Metrobank. Yan po yung top 6 natin. So let's now take a look at RCR. Yan. Naku, tumataas pa rin si RCR ha. Although medyo nag-taper off ngayon. But for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days ay bullish po ang ating stock na ito. It's the RCBC REIT, ano? Yun po, no? Under the candlestick po siya. At yung previous support, nandito po siya sa, yan, area to. Yan, 7.8 yung ating previous support. And right now, the support is at EMA 20, 7.9, no? 7.8 to 7.9 po. Kasi when we talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. So, nagkaroon po ng taas si RCR, and right now ay hindi ko ma-project yung resistance kasi support lang po ang makikita po natin dito. Perhaps the resistance is near the 870 level, ano? Pero 2 candlesticks lang po yan So, yan po yung previous support, and nagkaroon ng short consolidation here. Tapos, tumaas na naman, ano? RSI is at 82, overbought na po ang stock. So, 953 trades today with a volume of 1.80 million or 15.6 million. So, medyo marami rin ang tinrade ni RCR. So, masasabi ko lang po is the support nasa 7.8. And bullish po yung stock. Although yung ating, tingnan natin yung DMI. Let's check the DMI. The DMI is at 33. Meaning ko above 30 po yan ay patuloy pa meron pong momentum, no? Meron pong trading momentum or trend momentum na pataas kasi the direction is upwards. Kasi kung 30, more than 30 po yung directional movement index, even though if the RSI is above 70 ay patuloy po yan tataas. Okay, and then MREIT. Okay, MREIT naman ay ganun din, no? Same story. So, meron siyang green engulfing or breakout, pero hindi po ito breakout dahil konti lang po yung volume Sabi natin 452 trades, medyo malaki-laki na rin. But, baka po magkaroon ng consolidation dito kasi dito po ay nagkaroon po ng consolidation, no? Ito po yung consolidation niya. At dyan po yung previous support. Yan po. Nasa 1955. Tapos yung RSI is overbought, no? Tingnan natin yung DMI. DMI is, naku, 58. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, kahit po overbought si RSI, ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung pag-akyat niya dahil meron pong upward momentum, no? Yan po ang aking take for MREIT, no? So, ito po yung previous support niya, 1955. And my take for MREIT is the trend is upward. And then EW, yan, EW, balik natin dito. Sino ba nag-request nito? Si Raul, ano? Raul Uwahe ang nag-request ng EW or East-West. Bullish po yung stock, ano, Raul? Although our indicators are still moving sideways, the presence of 4 successive green candlesticks would indicate that the stock may have reversed in trend. Pero tingnan natin kung meron ng trend through the DMI, ano? Wala pang definite trend to. So sideways pa rin ang kanyang movement, though the RSI is already bullish at 59, ano? So, ang pinaka-support po niya ay nandito sa 921. Yan po ang pinaka-support niya. At ang pinaka-resistance, Pinakamalapit po nandito po sa 972. So, resistance level na po ito, and the next resistance level after that would be here at 10. Yan po ang aking take dyan. Although, yung from the looks of it ay yung 3 or 4 successive red candlestick appears to be bullish already at and this is showing the RSI at 59.93 or almost 60, no? So, pagka more than 50 po ang RSI ay bullish po siya. Yun po ang aking take for East-West, and yun po ang technicals po natin for East-West. And then RLC, ang RLC naman ay, naku, bullish din to. Tamo yan, no? So, yung pinaka-support natin, EMA 50 and EMA 100 po ang pinaka-support area natin eh. Yan po, no? May rejection dito, may rejection din dito. So, it is between 17.82 and 18.21. So, yun yung pinaka-support level po. But the resistance would be here. Dito po sa 19.30. Yan po yung RLC. But from the looks of it, ay under the candlesticks po siya, which means that the stock presently is bullish in the short term. So RSI is also bullish at 61.19. Yan po si RLC. And mukhang hindi naman po breakout to dahil walang volume eh. Nakikita niyo po yung shadow na ito. Kung tumaas po yung volume, like halimbawa ito, yung histogram niya ay tumaas dun, mas mataas pa kaysa sa shadow tulad nito. Example. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng merong volume. Kung dito po nangyari yan, halimbawa dyan po, yan, pangit yung drawing ko, ay masasabi nating breakout po yan, no? Yan. Masasabi nating breakout yan. Pero wala po eh, hindi po siya breakout. Okay? So, yan po, no? Bullish pa rin si RLC. And RSI is also bullish, no? And then, MONDE, ito yung top stock natin si MONDE. Uy! Tumaas din si MONDE, oh. Tama yan, no? So, yung support niya nandito po. Nasa area to. Nasa 1544. But, there's a green engulfing candlestick, but there is no volume yet. Oh, walang pong volume. So, piercing through the candlesticks lang po siya, although the RSI is showing some bullish signs for MONDE. Okay? So, yung pinaka-resistance, medyo malayo. The first resistance na nakikita ko is somewhere here, no? Nasa 1775. And the second would be here, yung tuktok niya. Yan. Okay, 1887 po. Okay, so that's MONDE. And then, finally, we have the second most active today. Naku, eto na naman. Si MBT, lumalarga talaga. So, ito yung mga setup na upward trend eh. Lahat ng ating indicators are under. Nauna dito yung 20-day, followed by the 50-day, followed by 100 days. Bullish po ang ibig sabihin yan. And the RSI is approaching overbought. Actually, it's already overbought, but let's take a look at the DMI. DMI is above 30 ay meron pong trend. Wala pa. So, kailangan mag-30 po siya. Nasa 28, 26 lang po eh. So, if we see another green candlestick, maaaring mag-30 na yan. So, masasabi nating merong trend, no? Confirmatory lang naman tong DMI eh. Pero the RSI is already overbought, and our indicators here would say that the stock is already bullish. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. January 13, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Turkey at sa Switzerland at dito din po sa Pilipinas. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagsuporta. Hanggang sa muli, take care, God bless, and bye for now.